Okay, girls, let's start doing chapter 8.7. As your outline states, this is also revision from year 7. So you can recognize that this comes from your notes from year 7, okay? So it says, like terms that have exactly the same pronumerals, okay, are like terms. The order doesn't matter. So we have some like terms here as example, 4a and 7a, negative 7a. So it doesn't matter the symbol of the coefficient. Here is positive, here is negative, doesn't matter, but both have 1a. So that therefore they're going to be like terms. Now negative 7ab and 12ba, these ones are in different order, but still 1a and 1b. 1a and 1b, so that will be like terms. That's why it's good practice to always write your pronumerals in alphabetical order, because it makes you easier to recognize if they are like terms. 12 PQR and negative 8R PQ. So again, the pronumerals are in different order, but they're the same, only one P, only one Q, and only one R. It doesn't matter that the coefficient is negative, okay? I will add some here that I want you to write in your notes. So I'm going to put them here in blue. For example, if I say, I'm going to add them, put them down here, but you will write them next to it. Don't write this first. So for example, 8 and negative 3. So they're also a term, agree? What pronumerals does it have? It doesn't have any pronumerals next to it, okay? So they're also like terms. Now let's look at this one. 7a squared b and negative 5a squared b. So these two will be also like terms because I have 2a's and 1b and 2a's and 1b. So I'm going to jump here into not like and say which one will not be equal terms. So if I have, for example, 4a squared b and 2ab's. These ones are not like terms. Why? Because here I have 2 a's and here I only have 1. Okay, so you have to be very careful because sometimes we say, yes, AB, but be careful. This one has 2 a's, not only 1. Okay, so that's something that is important. Okay, let's look at other examples that are not like terms. So negative 10a and 14ab, that's more clear because I don't have a b in here, so it's not going to be like term with this one. 4bc and 13cd, again, here I have a b and a c, and here I have a c and a d, so they're not going to be the same. Okay, wonderful. Now we can go into this sentence here that says like terms can be added and subtracted. Notice that they're talking about addition and subtraction, okay? Because this is a condition that only applies for like terms, okay? Like terms can be added and subtracted. So if you're thinking about what happens with multiplication and division, so let me say something down here. So with what you have been doing so far, you were doing things like, for example, you had x, this you did, oops, why is this so wrong? Because I'm using marker and not pen. Okay, all good. No dramas. So if I have 7, and I open brackets and I say x plus y. So you've been working with this one, substituting in a minute, but let me show you something that we're going to do later on. Oh no, let me do another example. If I say, can you multiply with what I just had? So can you do x times 7? And then say plus x times y? Yes, you can. So x and 7, are they like terms? No, they are not. So I can multiply them. So I can write 7x, okay? And x plus times y, there are no like terms. This one is an X, this one is a Y. They're not like terms, but they make up a term that is called XY. Okay? So you can multiply terms that are not alike, or you can also divide them. Let's look at another example here. So if I say, can you divide X divided by 3? You say, yes, I can. How do you write that one? You can say X divided by 3. Or the other way around. Let's say if you have 5 divided by X. Can you do that? Even though they're not like terms, yes, I can. I can say 5 divided by X. Last one, can you do X divided by Y? Yes, I can. It's X divided by Y, okay? So all this just to say that when we're talking like terms can be added and subtracted. Also, terms that are not like terms, they cannot be added and subtracted, okay? So that will be what you will put here. Not like terms, which is obvious, but it's important to identify that this restriction is only for addition and subtraction. So not like terms can't be added nor subtracted. Okay? Wonderful, girls.